Hi, let's talk about the black line color vowel chart. It's deceptively simple looking, but it can be used in a number of ways. But first, let's keep in mind that anytime you use the chart, it's a good idea to take a spoken tour of the chart, color by color. Green T E, silver pin I, gray day A, etc. Now, if you're working with students who are accustomed to using phonetic symbols and IPA, go ahead and have them transfer their symbols from IPA over to the color vowel chart. And in this way, they'll feel comfortable with this transition from their very well-known system to this new way of thinking about pronunciation through the location of stress and the vowel quality. Are you working with beginner or intermediate students? Give them time with each phrase on the color vowel chart to make sense of what it represents visually. In pairs or small groups, have them draw an image for each anchor phrase. A cup of green tea for green tea, some kind of a silver pin for silver pin. This isn't just busy work. By spending time with the image conveyed by each phrase, learners are priming themselves to make use of the images that we use in Blue Canoe, in our handheld game Color It Out, and every time their teacher uses a color vowel image card. Now, since there's a lot of white space on the black line master, students have room to write words. Assign each group to a particular color vowel phrase and have them brainstorm words that belong to that category. Then they can check those words in Blue Canoe and route out the ones that actually don't belong to that category. Once they have a solid list of words for their color category, jigsaw those groups and have them read their words to one another, thereby populating their entire chart with good words, all brainstormed and organized by the students. We've found that a surprising number of students, even advanced students, really want to color in the color vowel chart. So break out those colored pencils or those crayons and give them time to do that. I think it provides a kind of closure and satisfaction in transforming this black line object into the full spectrum color vowel chart. Finally, I'll mention a unique advantage of using the black line color vowel chart. Without color to distract us visually, students are able to make sense of the power of the color vowel chart by way of its keyword phrases. This is not a color coding system. This is rather a powerful mnemonic system for remembering and recognizing and naming the vowel sounds of English. And this, by the way, makes the color vowel chart accessible to colorblind people. We originally designed the black line version of the color vowel chart for easy photocopying, especially for large programs or for students studying online who don't have color printers. You'll notice that this download is marked with a Creative Commons copyright license, so go ahead and photocopy it or send it to your student online and make use of it.